Talks, and in this tutorial we will learn about Excel's most widely used function, which is VLOOKUP.
VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It allows you to search for a value in a first column of a table and return a value in the same row from another table. So here we have a simple spreadsheet with some data. In column B we have order ID, and similarly we have customer name, customer ID, segment, city for the respective order IDs. So in this, let's start with this tutorial, and let's say we want to find out the customer name for the given order ID. So we'll just start typing here equals to. The moment you type V, you will get a drop down list. From here you can manually go to VLOOKUP and click, or else you can type one more alphabet and you have only VLOOKUP as an option. You can press tab on your keyboard and it will type the entire formula for you with the open bracket. Now we need to put the lookup value for which we will be searching for, which is B4 in our case. So let's click here, comma. Now we need to select the entire table array in which we will be looking for this order ID. So for this, let's select this entire table and comma. Now we need to put the column index number. So we need to put the column index number of the value that we are looking for. So we are looking for customer name column. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Customer name is fifth column here in the selected range. So we will type 5, comma, and then 0 because we are looking for exact match. We will close the bracket and press enter. We have data which is like corresponding to this order ID in this data set. Let's cross check that. So this is the order ID and the customer name was Dobby. Here we have got the same name. One drawback is that VLOOKUP always works from left to right. Let's say we have order ID, then we can fetch order date, ship date, or customer ID, etc. But if we have customer name, then we cannot find out the order ID because this order ID column is to the right of customer name. So that's the one drawback of VLOOKUP. One more example we can see here is city. Let's say we want to find city. So we will start with this again equals to VLOOKUP tab, and we are looking for we can find city name as per customer name and order ID both. We can type either of them because both customer name and order ID is to the left of city column. Okay, so I'll go ahead with order ID here again and comma, and we can again select the same table range. We can also freeze this array by simply pressing function F4. This dollar sign, it shows that your cell is freezed. Here we have freezed both these horizontal and vertical cell number. That means our table array is freezed. If we drag this function further in E or F column, this table array range will remain same, comma. Now we are supposed to count the column number for city. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7th column in the selected range. So we will type 7 here again, comma, and 0 for exact match. Enter. Ta-da! You have the required data. Now one good thing is that now you can change the order ID and it will automatically update both columns for you. Let's say we want to search for customer name and city for this order ID. So you will not have to apply formula again and again. You just have to, let's say, paste order ID here and enter. And you have customer name and city updated automatically. So that's how it works. We can update, we can automate this column number also with the help of match function, so that we don't have to count the column number again and again. So but that we will be covering in next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this helpful. Thank you.